Hi everybody, I wanted to share with you how to use my free file that I've posted for making the night lights. So for these I use just a proof grade acrylic that came with my Glowforge, and I copied the design, like these little inserts, when I took apart one of the dollar store night lights that I got. I'll share a picture so you can see exactly which ones I got. You may have to modify these if you get a different one, but basically there's two little ports that the screws go through and one for the LED. Now these two here, these ones are just about the same size as the ones that are included and shape, and I just wanted to show you how you can make your own custom one. I've reversed this because I like to reverse engrave on acrylic, so I actually reverse on what will be the back of the project. But I'm going to just delete these, and I'm just going to work with this little nubbin of a file here. And what you can see is, I'm just going to zoom in actually. You can see this is the part that actually goes underneath into the actual plug. So what you can do is you can make whatever shape you want. Let's do a polygon here. What have I got set up on a triangle? Not so interesting. Delete that, and I'll do a new one here. Just going to click to get, let's do a radius of, we'll do full inch, and let's do 8 sides. There we go. So now what I can do is I can drop this on here. I'm actually going to align these in the center, and then I'm going to drop it just kind of right on top of those pieces. And then what this tab is going to allow me to do is merge these. So I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to go to my Pathfinder, and I'm going to unite them. And then you can see my shape is this octagon on top of my little light insert. This is all going to be hidden below this line here, inside the actual piece when I put it together. So that is how simple that is. Don't forget to unite anything you put on top of it with this bottom piece, and then just cut on your red lines with whatever settings you're using. Hope you have fun with this file. Let me know, show me what you did. I'd love to see it. Enjoy, bye.